Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to create Skrill account. So you will have to just open the Google Chrome or any browser, and you can open the website of Skrill account. So in the Google you will search for Skrill account. So you can open a free account on skrill.com. So when the Skrill is open, you will just click to the register option on the top right. So here is loading. So the next procedure is you will have to type the first name and the last name and your country and your currency and your email address. Type your email and the strong password, and you will click to just register button. And now you will have to just send new email. So verify your email address. I think it's email you will notified that you will confirm your email address. You will just click it and go to login. So you will type your email address and type your password. So it will be loading. So here you can enter the details of address, address optional, city, postal code and date of birth. Make sure that all details are currently and permanently where you lived, because it's official to create your account. So make sure that all details are correct and yours. So when it's completed, you can choose the region and country. So I will select my country and I will salary and remittance, and there is send and receive money. The purpose to create account and type my phone number and its height for the privacy. I can't share my details with you. It's an example to how to create an account. So you can allow it or block it. Skrill notifications, and now your account is created. Welcome to the Skrill account. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.